If you locked in a mortgage at 3% or 4% a few years ago, you made one of the smartest financial moves of the decade. But here's the problem nobody warned you about. The moment you need extra cash, a roof, a medical bill, retirement income, every option seems to require handing that rate back. A cash-out refinance replaces your loan at today's rates. A HELOC adds a new monthly payment. Sell and downsize? You walk away from that rate forever. More than half of American homeowners still hold a mortgage under 4%, and most of them feel completely financially frozen, even though they're sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars in equity. What if there was a fourth option? One that lets you keep the rate, skip the payment, and still get the cash. There is, and most people over 55 have never heard of it. It's called a reverse second mortgage, and it works very differently from what you might expect. A traditional reverse mortgage pays off your existing loan and replaces it. A reverse second does not touch it at all. Your first mortgage stays exactly where it is. Same low rate, same term, same payment, same lender. The new loan sits quietly behind it in second position, secured by the equity you've already built. And here is the part that changes everything for a lot of people. There is no required monthly payment on the second loan. You keep paying your first mortgage as you always have. But the reverse second? Nothing due month to month. The interest accrues and is added to the balance over time. In California, this is available from age 55. That's 7 years earlier than the standard government reverse mortgage program. Benefit number 1, keep the rate you can't replace. This is the whole point. Your 3% first mortgage is completely untouched. You are not trading a cheap loan for an expensive one just to get to your equity. Protecting that rate can actually be worth more than the cost of the second loan itself. Benefit number 2, no new monthly payment. A HELOC solves the rate problem, but creates a cash flow problem, another bill every month for years. For someone on a fixed retirement income, that payment can be the difference between comfortable and stretched. The reverse second adds nothing to your monthly obligations. Benefit number 3, qualify when a HELOC says no. Traditional home equity products are built on income ratios. Retirees are often rich in equity, but light on paper income. Exactly the profile that gets declined for a HELOC, even with $400,000 in home value. A reverse second is underwritten around your age, your home's value, and your equity, not your W-2. I want to be upfront about the trade-offs because this isn't free money. Because you make no payments, the balance grows over time. That eats into the equity that would otherwise pass to your heirs. If leaving the home free and clear is a priority, that's a real cost away. You still have to pay property taxes, keep insurance active, and maintain the home. Falling behind on any of those can trigger repayment. And because these are private products, not government insured, rates and fees vary by lender. Always compare. But here's the reassurance that matters. These are non-recourse loans. You and your heirs can never owe more than what the home is worth when the loan is repaid. Even if the balance grows past the home's value, the lender's recovery is limited to the property, period. The ideal person for this is easy to picture. You're 55 or older, you have a first mortgage at a rate you would never willingly give up. You have substantial equity, you need cash for something real, home repairs, medical costs, paying off higher rate debt, or supplementing income, and you don't want or can't qualify for a new monthly payment on top of everything else. If a refinance or HELOC has felt like it costs more than it delivers, this is worth a conversation. My name is Zayer. I've been a certified reverse mortgage professional for over 15 years, licensed in California and Arizona. I run this comparison, reverse second versus standard reverse mortgage versus HELOC versus cash out refinance for every client who has a low rate first mortgage. If you want to know what a reverse second mortgage could look like for your situation, there's a free calculator and a no-cost informational call at REVERSEMORTGAGE.COACH. You worked hard to lock in that rate. Let's make sure you don't have to give it up just to access what your home is worth. I'm Zayer. I'll see you in the next one.